I want to tell you a story today, not just any story, but a story about success. Everyone wants success. Everyone talks about success. But very few people really understand what it takes to achieve it. Some think it is about intelligence. Others believe it is about luck. Many assume that success is just about working hard. But today, I want to tell you one simple rule for success: never give up. I know it sounds too simple. Maybe you have heard this before, but let me tell you why this rule is the foundation of everything. Let me take you on a journey from my own life and the lessons I have learned to prove to you that if you never give up, you will succeed. When I was a young boy in Hangzhou, I had no advantages. I was not a top student. I failed my exams not once, but multiple times. I applied to many universities, and they rejected me. When I tried to get a job, I was turned down by more than 30 companies, including KFC. Out of 24 applicants at KFC, 23 were accepted. I was the only one rejected. Imagine how that feels. Imagine working hard, believing in yourself, and still being told, no, you are not good enough. Most people would give up. Most people would say, maybe I am not meant for success, but I didn't give up. I refused to believe that failure meant the end. This is the first lesson I want you to remember. The beginning is always hard. Success is not given to you. You must earn it. And the only way to earn it is to keep going even when everyone tells you no. Think of Thomas Edison, the man who invented the light bulb. He failed thousands of times before he succeeded. If he had given up after the first few failures, we might still be living in darkness. Every great inventor, entrepreneur, artist, or leader has faced difficulties in the beginning. But what separates them from the rest is their perseverance. Let's be honest. If success were easy, everyone would have it. You'd wake up, brush your teeth, and suddenly, boom, you're a billionaire. But the truth is, life doesn't work that way. If you want something, you must fight for it. Just like how you fight for the last slice of pizza at a family dinner, except this fight takes years, not just a few minutes. When I started Alibaba, people laughed at me. They said, Jack, you don't know anything about technology. They were right. I had never written a single line of code. They said, Jack, you don't know anything about business. And they were right. I was just an English teacher, but I had a vision. I saw something that no one else saw. I saw the future.